Okay, I just wanted to finish off my makeup look today with some eyeshadow. And we're going to be using this palette here. I'm going to be starting off with this color for above the crease. We're just going to go back and forth, windshield wiper motions. You can swirl it a little just to help kind of blend it. We're using the fluffy brush. I apologize if you can hear my neighbors. They're hanging out outside my window making a lot of noise. I'm going to be using this tiny little brush today because I'm going to come in the corner with this dark brown and just really kind of draw around this V. And then I have this really lovely cream eyeshadow. I'm going to come in with a flat brush and just get a little bit of that right here in the middle, sweeping it across the lid. And then I'm going to get this pretty color and come on the inner corner. Sweeping that inward, bringing it all the way to the corner and down. And all the way down to the lash line. Super shimmery and beautiful. And I kind of want to come back in with the darker color that I used and just do a little bit right here. Just to kind of bring some balance. And then we're going to highlight under the brow bone using this color here. And then I'm going to go back and get a little bit more of that purple cream eyeshadow. And just make sure, because I kind of covered it a little with that bright shimmer. And then finishing it back off with that fake beautiful shimmer. And now I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, so I finished off the other eye, but now I'm going to come back in and I'm going to go under the eye with this little purple color here with the flat brush just on the tip of it, just to give it some extra depth, but also to kind of tie in the purple cream shadow that we used. So, swipe that across just halfway. I'm going to put a little bit of this purple shimmer underneath it as well. And then to finish off this shiny one from before, from the inner corner, Just sweep it a little bit under, just to bring everything together, round it all out. And that is the finished work. All right, thanks for watching. See you again next time.